Leo wakes up at 7 o'clock. The sun shines into his room. He smiles at the new day. Leo walks to his small kitchen. He makes a cup of hot coffee. The coffee smells very good. He sits at his wooden table. He looks out of the window. He sees a big green tree. A bird sits on the tree. The bird is small and blue. It sings a happy song. Leo eats a piece of toast. He likes his toast with butter. He eats his breakfast slowly. He finishes his hot coffee. He feels ready for the day. He puts on his blue shirt. Leo leaves his small house. He walks down the quiet street. The air is fresh and cool. He meets his neighbor, Sarah. Sarah is walking her brown dog. The dog is happy and fast. "Good morning, Leo," says Sarah. "Good morning, Sarah," Leo says. "Do you like this weather?" "Yes, it is very nice today." Sarah smiles at her brown dog. "We are going to the park." "That sounds like a good plan." Leo walks to the local shop. He needs to buy some bread. The shop is clean and bright. He finds the fresh white bread. He also buys some red apples. Leo pays for his food items. The clerk smiles at him kindly. "Have a nice day," she says. Leo walks back to his house. He puts the food away now. He decides to clean his home. He picks up a blue cloth. He wipes the wooden table clean. He likes a very clean house. He puts his books in order. He folds his clothes very neatly. He likes everything in its place. The house feels quiet and calm. Leo sits in his soft chair. He reads a book for fun. The story is about a cat. The cat travels to many places. Leo enjoys the quiet story. He reads for one long hour. Then he looks at the clock. It is time for his lunch. He makes a simple cheese sandwich. He cuts 2 red, juicy apples. He eats his lunch with joy. After lunch, he wants to walk. He puts on his black shoes. He opens his front door wide. He walks to the city park. The park has many tall trees. The grass is very green today. He sees children playing with balls. They laugh and run around fast. Leo likes the happy sounds here. He sits on a wooden bench. He watches the clouds move slowly. The sky is a bright blue. A small girl comes to Leo. She holds a bright red ball. "Hello," she says to kind Leo. "Hello," Leo says with a smile. "Is this your red ball?" She nods her head very fast. She runs back to her friends. Leo feels very happy for her. It is a very good day. He stays in the park longer. He watches the people walk by. Some people walk their small dogs. He sees an old man talking. The man has a gray hat. He talks to a young woman. Leo thinks about his own life. He likes his simple, quiet life. He likes his friends and home. He walks near the small pond. He sees white ducks on water. They swim together in a line. A man feeds them some bread. The ducks eat the food quickly. They make funny, loud sounds. Leo watches the ducks for long. It is very peaceful by water. He feels very calm and quiet. He walks along the stone path. He sees flowers of many colors. The flowers smell very sweet today. He stops to look at roses. They are a deep, bright red. He touches a leaf very gently. He enjoys the colors and smells. Nature makes him feel very good. He likes the beautiful park air. He finds a spot in shade. He sits under a large tree. He closes his eyes for rest. He hears the wind in leaves. He hears the birds singing loud. He feels very relaxed and happy. He thinks about his next book. He wants to read it tonight. He likes to learn new things. The sun starts to go down. The sky turns a soft orange. It is time to go back. Leo walks home in the evening. The street lights turn on now. The city looks very calm today. He reaches his front door home. He takes off his black shoes. He feels tired but very happy. He thinks about his nice dinner. He has some soup for dinner. He heats the soup slowly now. The kitchen feels warm and nice. He eats the soup with bread. It tastes very good to him. After dinner, he washes the dish. He wipes the counter very dry. He likes to keep things neat. He walks to his dark room. He opens his bedroom window wide. He hears the nighttime sounds. The world outside is very quiet. The stars shine in the sky. They look like small, bright lights. Leo falls asleep in his bed. His house is safe and warm. Everything is very quiet and still. Tomorrow will be a new day. He will walk in the park. He will see his good friends. But now he needs his sleep. The night is long and dark. The morning will come soon again. Leo breathes in and out slowly. His heart is happy and light. He dreams of the bright sun. He dreams of the green trees. Life is simple and very good. The afternoon sun is very warm. Leo likes the heat on his skin. He feels the wind blow soft. He sees a yellow butterfly fly. It dances near the garden gate. It lands on a small flower. Leo watches it for a long time. The garden is full of life. He loves to see the world grow. He thinks about his dear friends. He will call them on Sunday. They will have tea and cake. He enjoys planning his happy week. He knows life is a gift. He stays very calm and glad. He checks his small flower pots. The green leaves look so healthy. He waters them with cool water. The water makes the dirt dark. The flowers look very happy now. Leo feels proud of his work. He sits back down on bench. He watches the park get quiet. The sun is almost gone now. The purple sky looks so pretty. He likes the colors of night. He feels peaceful in his heart. He knows he will dream well. Tomorrow he has new plans. He will wake up with joy. His life is small but full. He smiles as he thinks this. Everything is just right today.